Mic, please. Here. Hello. Long time no see. Today's topic is project set. It's through agent coding with Xcode and Gemini. As you know, I am a CTO of a small company, and and nowadays I work as an instructor. This session is just my personal experience. I would also like to hear your experience. Okay? Yeah. So, first of all, I want to survey. Please end up. How many people used to use Claude Code, please? Wow. Okay. How many people use Codex? Good. How many people use Gemini? Oh. How about Cursor? Good. Other AI tools? What kind? Yeah.
GitHub Copilot.
Yeah, good. Okay. How many people don't trust AI, so I make it handmade? Good. Okay. We hear bytecode last year, and it changed to agent coding, and the creator, the word bytecoding, he's called it agentic engineering, not bytecoding. So in the on the web, there is a definition of it. What is agentic engineering? So agentic engineering is a software development approach where human developers act as directors overseeing AI agents, blah, blah, as you know. But I think agent engineering explain simply like this: models and tools. As you know, there is many models and there is many tools. Something like this. I want GPT with Copilot. So there are many options like this. Claude Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, they have their own model, but GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and OpenCode, they can choose many options. And there is one more tool, Xcode 26.3. As you know, 2 months ago, Apple said that Xcode has the agent coding tool. So in the settings panel, we can choose it. Claude Agent and Codex. Before Agentic, I want to tell you first of all, before agent coding, there is a Swift Assist. Chat service could effect on code, something like this. Let's watch. Make a code for calculator app at content view. I want it. So it connected with GPT server via OpenAI. It's a live recording. Wait. Sorry. I don't want move it faster. So, okay. Yeah, there is a code. But it has a problem. I don't know, this is not checked by compiler. So something error on there syntax errors happened. And last WWDC, Apple announced it assist using not only GPT, but also local models via RM Studio or Ollama. So before Agentic, basic functions of Xcode, no need to copy AI chat contents, copy and paste chat to Xcode editor. You can't, it doesn't need it anymore. It can be used without setting. You can use it for free, but it is limited. And you can make a code with an error. It's a problem. As you can see, to correct the error, you need to write the prompt again, or fix it by your hand. I think if it's like this, I'd rather make it all with my own hands. So now we consider Cloud Code. Today, Anthropic announced the new Cloud app. So far, many people have used CLI today, but I think they will use this app more in the future. But today's topic is not this app. This is today's prompt. I want a calculator app. If you want details of it, details for it, you can get it using traditional AI chat services. Let's enjoy it for a while. The Cloud Code or Cloud Agent in Xcode. Thinking, to search, read file, thinking. No way, I can't wait. Where is the cursor? Okay. Yeah, it filled with code. Well, the build succeed. How many times? In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, a calculator app is built. Yeah. Yeah, Cloud Code is the best way for it. Agent officially built in by Xcode. It repeats the task until the result works somehow. Claude has great models. Opus, Sonnet, Haiku, Method not yet. But the tokens is bound or not. It often in a bad condition, bad status. Claude Pro subscription is only available for prototype level development. Claude Max or more subscriptions are needed for full-flagged corporate development work. This is my case. As you can see, I made a calculator app. It burned my 10% of the whole tokens. If all tokens are burned, I need to wait in 5 hours. But I couldn't wait. So I have to check, I have to find out new way, alternative way. So first of all, I consider about local models. As you know, last week, Google announced new features for Android Studio. It will use Gemma 4, the local models. If you want to use Gemma 4 via RM Studio or Ollama, you can use it on your Mac. So, sorry. In default way, Claude Code is connected to Claude Server. But we can fix it. We can change it. And we can use it like Android Studio. If you want to use local model instead of cloud server models, you can use those shell command lines. It will make a proxy. So I recorded, sorry. This is the screenshot. This is important things if we want to use it. We have to change the settings for maximize the context window, because Claude Code use a lot of tokens, a lot of context. And after the shell script, you can see the local model on your Claude Code. So here is a demo. Xcode think this is a Claude Code, but this is not true. Backend is not Claude. This is local model. For that, you can see this is so slow. My Mac is Mac Studio M2 Ultra, the base model of it. It's not enough. I want more memory, but it's so expensive, as you know. So sorry, I can't show you the end of it. This is the result of it other way for my radio station app prototyping. In these 3 hours, after I got it, it's so long time. If you want to restore it, here is the way. The local model, there is a various models, no cost, using Cloud Code. The tool is perfect. We can use it. No need for cloud account, even though offline. No need for online. But need a good Mac, better performance, more memory. Models can't reflect the latest content. It just work, but just work. So I have to change the new option. MCP. MCP makes more options. MCP is a model context protocol. MCP is like a USB-C port for AI application. So MCP can be connected between many tools. From Xcode 26.3 is 2. So I tried GitHub Copilot CLI with the MCP of Xcode. As you know, GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant of GitHub and Microsoft. There is an app for Xcode officially, but if I won't talk about the details anymore. I disappointed them. Here is a better way. GitHub Copilot CLI is like Cloud Code. Before using it, we have to set up MCP information. This is the best practice. When Copilot CLI tries to connect to Xcode, we have to give approval. If the connection is good, it will appear like this in Xcode. Then let's into it. Thinking. Okay. Thinking again. Yeah, we have to choose the option between the permission for permission. There is some problem, but the GitHub Copilot CLI fix it. Okay, it fixed it. Build product. Yeah, there is some errors. The tool will fix it. This is different the chat service and agent. Don't worry, the tool will fix it again. Fixing syntax. Almost there. building project again. Yeah, warning remains, but all of errors are gone. And I will check it. Boom. Good. So GitHub Copilot CLI, it has various models, GPT, Claude, and so on, and deduct by the number of times of request, not a token. Xcode MCP can be connected, but limited models supported for free. The free user can use GPT-5 mini only, and support it supports a limited number of times for free. Well, 20 or 50 times per month, right? Yeah, and it doesn't understand the Xcode project property. Sometimes it attempts to modify the original Swift package in the cache directory. It occurred a big problem. So I have to change. There is Gemini CLI. As you know, Google has a good tool called Anti-Gravity. And today, Google released the Gemini app for Mac. But today's topic is Gemini CLI. We will look at Gemini CLI. This work on the terminal-like Copilot CLI and Cloud Code. To modify the MCP information in Gemini CLI, this is different with the Copilot CLI. There is a JSON setting file on those paths. You need to modify the contents of the JSON file in this path above. The important thing is the path here. It's not easy to remember, but we have to check it out. Sorry. Yeah. Since last month, Pro model have not been available to free users. Oh no, but it's okay. The flashy models provides fast response and good quality. So I will use it free. Seeing is believing. Let's see. I paste the same prompt and choosing the permission and thinking. Permission again. It's not so long, so let's enjoy it. It makes a plan, and we can choose, we can select the architecture, MVVM or others. So I choose the making view models, and I choose editing, thinking again. So as you can see, Gemini CLI work like Cloud Code, planning. We can choose the architecture, but some more thing. one more thing after this. There's a thinking. If you want to use it faster, and if you use it with enough tokens, you can choose the Gemini Pro. And building. As you can see, Gemini CLI modified the whole project settings. It's so smart. And there is one more thing, testing. I didn't prompt you have to test it, but it automatically. Automatically? Yeah, it's auto. Sorry. It makes some of testing code and learn testing.
The compounds are really
Yes. Yeah, I don't want those grade. Okay, thinking again, I check it again. It tests not only the UI, but also the logic. It's almost 4 minutes. Okay. It will be okay? I don't know. Yeah, it's done. So I checked via the preview. Oh, it disappointed. So I prompt again. The the result is not. It's not useful. Yeah, I can't use it. So I don't have, as you know, I don't have enough skill of English, but Gemini CLI understand my English skill. Check a reference from, in this time, I find out the reference image on the web. Okay. There is references. I want it. Test it. Thinking. There is one point. Google search in it. Gemini CLI is made by Google, so it has the web search tool and web fetch tool all of in it. And Gemini is a kind of multimodal model, so it can be to think about the image. And play mode again. I will update. Yeah, you can update. Just a moment, please. It will be. You can see the silhouette of new update UI behind the terminal. Yeah, automatically accept. This is changing the view model. And view. What happened? It's done. 짜잔. It works. So Gemini CLI is smart at multimodal, and it can be a smart tool for you with Xcode. The previous operation used 25% of the Gemini 5 flash model usage, and it will reset after about 24 hours. So, Gemini CLI has good models, Gemini 2.5 or Gemini 3 flash models or Pro models. It's a good tool and smart tool. It connects well with Xcode MCP. It's better than, I think it's better than Copilot CLI. You can use it for free, but the best model is paid. Something like Pro models. It is not a built-in function of Xcode. You have to link the MCP manually. It is difficult to reflect the latest content, such as liquid glass. The code of, this is important thing, the code of free users is used for Google's AI learning. This is critical point when you're using it for companies. This is my pattern. So when I started it, I will use cloud code until all of tokens are born. And it remains a lot of time, a lot of hours. I will back it up Gemini CLI until the work has done. And I'll make next prompting. In this way, I'd make new apps every day, something like this. Camera preview on board. I want to use it for my online class. I use it for this app. I use it to Gemini CLI only. And I want to walk outdoor with my iPad Pro. So I want to make a VNC client app. First time I used Cloud Code, tokenized bond, whole tokenized bond. Then I used to Gemini CLI after that. It's work. It has its own VNC stack code, no dependency. Finally, I use Cloud Code only for this app. When I want liquid glass style like this, I sent a prompt with a screenshot of the macOS default message app attached. Cloud Code understood well and modified the code according to the latest technology. This is tip. It has a setting person, session, prompt, and temperature. The agent also made a code for Markdown, showing Markdown without dependency. Yeah, Cloud Code, it needs just 30 minutes. It's a kind of a radio station app. When I wrote a prompt include Git repository URL has a web app version, it refers the style and feel it like this. Finally, it's inside. Still, you have work to do. Xcode project settings are still manual, even though you use Cloud Code or Gemini CLI, whatever. Creating a new project, signing and capabilities, adding a package, you have to do it by yourself, not agent. There are many options. Just refer to other people's stories. Cloud Code only. I don't know. Use various agents, use various models, and make your own prompt. Skills, harness, anything is fine. Make your way. Enjoy the changes that change every day. And don't you need to start development knowledge? Not today. The developer's knowledge should be in the prompt. But there is no place for developers who only know development knowledge. You have to learn about other domains. AI is just tools. The responsibility lies with you, not AI. I believe that everyone becomes a developer. Case study. 10 years ago, there was two groups at IT company, developers and operators. But when CI/CD occurred, developers' work expanded and operators' work disappearing. How about other domains? Product manager, designer, marketer. Many people said that with agent, they will be more smarter more, and the developers are disappeared. I don't agree. With agent, the developer area will be expanded. You will work as a developer and as a PM, as a designer, as a marketer. I am a PM. I wanted to use agent. You have to learn about development. He will or she will be a developer. So I think that everyone becomes a developer. This is the future, I think. I thought. So let's build apps with agent. Thank you.
So I have the microphone, so I can fire the first question, because when you have to when you prompt, you have to wait for the code to be. So what's your favorite occupation when you are waiting for the AI? Is it coffee? Is it we all have the image of the two developers with the sword. There is like these images as a meme. So what do you do when you are waiting for the answer from the LLM?
Yeah, I'm not good at the content, switching the context on my life. So when I wait for it, if I watching a YouTube movie, YouTube video, I can't control next step. So when I debug it and get the until the result from the agent, my brain is filled with next step fully.
Okay. Okay. Do you guys have any questions? Yeah. Wait for the mic. Careful of this.
Hi. I was wondering, what is the favorite thing you have built? I was so impressed when it said, make one app every day. But do you have a favorite app that you made?
Sorry, favorite agent?
Favorite app that you made.
Sorry. Yeah. My favorite web, I didn't announce on those keynote, but someone knows that I made my own video and television and radio app. So, but I can't show you because it record. Every day I use it.
Or when was the first talk? Because Jongwook has been talking here. Maybe that's the third time.
Yeah, this is my third time.
Third time. So, and I think the second time was explaining about this app.
Yeah.
So people that have been here at the second even know what kind of app he's talking about and knows why there is no recording available online about this app. Any other question? Yeah.
First of all, thank you for nice presentation. And I have two questions. Firstly, May I ask you currently for now your MacBook, what model Apple Silicon M3, M4, M5? What's your model Apple Silicon for now? What's your MacBook?
This MacBook is M3 Pro model, but whole of the video recorded on my Mac Studio M2 Ultra.
Because for now I have M2, I feel it's so slow. That's why I ask you. For now you tried tightly slow, but slightly slow, but my MacBook is too slow, I feel. That's why I cannot figure it out how far. That's now I figured it out. Secondly, as you know, for now, Xcode, there is 3 AI agent living in Xcode, Claude, Codex, and ChatGPT for now. But 3 all agent required me, just a small project I tried, but 3 all required me the paid service. I approached the my limitation, and the 3 all agent require me the upgrade the paid service. That's why I'm not sure that it seems as you told, and Apple developer session, they told there is just for free. It seems for free, but actually I tried, but they all require the paid service. So that's why the for free, how much we can go.
I paid for the just Cloud Code only. It's Pro model, and others, as you can see, the Gemini CLI and the GitHub CLI, I use it for free until now.
It's necessary, still necessary for free to use, but I don't know why they all require the paid service upgrade. So for now, I should progress, but I hope I should progress my study, but there is for now the kind of obstacle. That's why.
Yeah, I think that the Cloud Pro subscription is for just only prototyping, not for the whole of the, the the app for regular app service. It will need more expensive subscription, but until now I don't need it.
Thank you. I think also the point is on the 3 models that are integrated inside Xcode.
Ah.
Gemini is not one of the integrated agents on Xcode. You have to use like code and
Yeah, change the focus. This is talking about the tools, not model. So many people said talking about LLM. It failed with the Johnson-only model, but the important thing for developers is tool.
do you have yeah.
Thank you for the presentation. It was very meaningful and impressive. And I wanted to ask about token. I assume that you use a lot of tokens every day, and I was wondering if you could give us some feedback how to use token in a smart way to save some money.
Some people set up their alternative proxy server for KV caching and compress the information. But when I use it for Xcode, I didn't feel the efficiency. So until now, I find it out the better way.
Did you try writing in Chinese? No. Did you like supposedly if you write in Chinese because there is more information in a smaller size, you save money. Did you receive like how many? Do you know how many tokens did you burn so far? Did you receive one of the small trophies? No, you didn't. You didn't. Not yet.
When I use usually with the local model, something like the QN or GZN or something like it came from the China. Sometimes it the result has not only English or Korean. There were some of it is written on Chinese. it was a big problem on my case.
Any other questions? Yeah. Speak loudly. Yeah.
Did you see any difference in token usage and speed when using the CLI versus Xcode?
Well, those are my horror trying, but one more thing was I didn't show you was open code, but it was so hard to connect local model via RM Studio. So I stopped trying about it.
Because personally, I saw like when I use Xcode instead of the CLI, I had the experience of like slower code generation than when I'm using CLI directly. So yeah, I was just curious. Oh, I was saying that, yeah. Yeah, I was just saying that when I use the CLI versus Xcode, the CLI speed is faster than what Xcode is generating. So I was curious to know your experience with that. It's okay.
Do we have any? Yeah. Speak loudly.
Thanks for nice presentation. I have a
Louder, please.
loud. Sorry. Do you think Xcode MCP is enough without any agent skills for iOS development?
People talking about security. There is alternative MCP for Xcode. People Xcode 26.3 announced it. It services fully functions about it, but I didn't trust it. Because it was not official way. So I believe Apple anyway.
Yeah.
So I would just like to make some comment about, I think people talk about the token burning, hardware, and the cost. So maybe I started on this maybe about 6-7 months ago, and same thing, right? I had like a MacBook Pro, M2 MacBook Pro. I started with that. It was okay. Models were not great yet. Every 3 months, maybe not even 3 months, right? Maybe 4 weeks, 5 weeks, right? New models start coming in from OpenAI, and because last year it was like a really flood. So what happened is, right, your machine gets slow. You think, oh, maybe this is not good. So I got a M2 Ultra, right? Okay, maybe this will work now. It's same problem, right? Finally, when you get Claude Pro, like maybe the office gives us same thing, right? Claude Pro unlimited thing, right? And now after that, when I get that Claude Pro unlimited thing, right? Now my M4 Ultra 48 GB machine looks slow because it can just do so many things at a time that it's so the point is that we cannot keep up with this thing. Yeah, so it's called something like D-dot effect, right? Like if you buy something better, you always have to buy something better. So yeah, I think it's just that it's impossible to find where is the limit here. Yeah.
Yeah, I had met the same similar problem on my Mac when I use it. When I use local model via LM Studio on my Mac Studio, it burns token inside the Mac, and the Mac has become the hotter, and finally the screen filled with pink horrible app and shut down. Oh, I didn't met something like this.
So you can have a new machine every 3 weeks. What kind of tell us name of we have a 30% increased salary, new machine every 3 weeks. Three. Oh, I see.
Florian, my student, one of my students used to GitHub Copilot CLI every day. So I wanted to hear his experiences.
Okay. As he says I actually use GitHub Copilot CLI every day. But okay. From now on, I like to explain about the some of the experiences what I have been using of them. So, and first of all, the GitHub Copilot is very cost efficiency. The Copilot Pro gives 300 premium requests. That means premium requests every month. That means you can call the request not light models but medium models such as Sonnet, Close Sonnet, and Gemini 3 Pro, and Codex. Anyway, and much more. You can call it. You can call one of them for 300 times. That 300 times. Someone thinks a small amount, but in my working pattern, it is very enough to full-time working. 300 for $10, just $10, and and it is very good when we make burst of prompt. Not like that in token usage in very small, very short time, like 5 hours in Claude. Yeah. So my experience of using Copilot CLI, that's all. That's all I'm using very well. Thanks.
Thank you. Anyone else using Copilot? No? So, the only one? One person? We have any other question? Yeah.
Hi. Thank you for the presentation and the knowledge shared with us tonight. I have a question regarding the developer market in general, because with AI and agent today, developers can do more. So I was wondering, for example, for a company that have developers today, do they really need 5 in the future, or maybe just 2 that really know how to use the AI and agents?
I think that this feature not only is my thing. When the Korean big company Samsung Life, you know Samsung Life, they advertise new campaign. Everyone in Samsung Life will be developer. This is a new trend, I think.
So there will be more developers and less marketers, product managers, or still?
In future, I'm a developer as a PM. I'm a developer as a designer. Everyone will say like this, I think.
Okay, thank you. And one more question, it was regarding developer. You say AI is a tool, but then you have to still make the choice yourself. You use a tool. Do you think that in the future we will still need human? Because some people say that everything that is done on a computer with a screen can be done in the future with AI without human interaction.
Nowadays, every company colleagues has to learn about IT knowledge, but also the developer knowledge, and more important thing, there is domain knowledge. So every development until now, every developers think about just only development knowledge, but company agree about it. Whole of the company person based on the domain knowledge and development knowledge on it, and other things on it again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So every developer can be designer. So all the designers here, you screwed. All right. If someone else has any other question, we will, you can always reach out during the networking, but let's get on with it. Big round of applause for him today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.